Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing this Lenovo Ideapad 3. This one comes with 4GB of RAM, Intel Pentium processor, and only a 128GB SSD. It says it has UHD graphics, but on the box I see only HD, so I'm not sure. And Windows 10s. I don't know much about this computer, and I got it on sale for Black Friday, so it was $150, so I just thought I would get it to see if it's any good. So if you plan on getting a cheap laptop, this would be the choice for your child, because everyone is doing online school learning right now. So yeah, this is only going to be an unboxing video to show you what you get with it. Okay, that's the computer. Okay, that's the charger and instruction manuals. Okay, don't need any of this. Okay, this is the laptop. It's not bad. Honestly, it looks really good. I thought it would be some cheap junk laptop. Well, yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything much inside of it. I see the PCB, a fan, but don't really see much otherwise. Okay. Comes with a nice matte screen. I don't know if you can see it on camera. That's really good. So far, everything seems to be nice on this laptop. The only downside I can say so far is the Intel Pentium processor. I wanted to get a laptop I could Hackintosh and make a video about that, but I don't think I'll be able to Hackintosh this laptop because it's using a Pentium processor, and I think I need a minimum requirements of Intel i3 with UHD graphics, so I don't know. But yeah, there isn't really much to show other than this, so yeah, I'm just gonna make another video, show you what's inside of it. I'm not going to do a teardown video because I specifically stated in my previous video that I'm just showing what's inside the computer, but everyone is arguing in the comments like this is a teardown video. No, I'm just going to show you what's inside, if you'll be able to upgrade it, so on and so forth. Anyway guys, I'm done rambling for now, but that's it for this video. Hope it helped, and thanks for watching.